Yes, okay. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Yes, my name is John, and I'm talking on the team, Neglected Underutilized Crop Species, in the case of Fonio Valley Chain in Ghana. Fonio has many uses in Ghana, especially when it comes to the dish profile of Ghana. Fonio has many benefits in terms of low input use, rich nutritional profile, food security, drought tolerance, and it grows well on marginal lands. There's a decline in Fonio production in Ghana, however, and this has been classified as an underutilized crop in Ghana. And in trying to change this narrative, there's the need to try to understand what is happening within this chain. And so the value chain analysis was done. So basically what we tried to do was to analyze the chain, to look at what opportunities exist and also what challenges were there, and in trying to identify solutions to address these challenges, to leverage on the opportunities that exist within the chain. So the SWOT analysis was done, and basically we broke the chain into various nodes, looking at it in terms of the producer node, aggregator node, the processors, the traders, and then the consumers. And the analysis was done at all these nodes, and from the analysis, so challenges were identified. And the first challenge, the challenges were ranked in order of importance so that to prioritize them. And the first ranked challenge was poor access to mechanization services. The second was lack of new improved varieties. The third was lack of knowledge in terms of new innovations. Then poor market access, low level of Fonio processing. Most of it is sold as grain, and low adoption of intercropping it with legumes. So we also try to look at the various, in terms of, at the various nodes, in terms of the market performance, whether it's financially feasible within the chain. So we used indicators like net margins, share of market margin, return on investment, benefit cost ratios, to analyze the chain. And so we needed to do this at the various nodes to give us a comprehensive picture of what is happening within the chain. And so all these indicators indicated that it was viable. The chain was viable. At the various nodes, they were viable. And also by implication that the whole chain was viable. So we also tried to look at Fonio contribution to development of sustainable farming systems, especially in Ghana. And in doing this, we had to assess Fonio chain with respect to its contribution to the sustainability domains. And we looked at 5 domains, that is productivity domain, the environmental domain, the economy, social, and the human domain. And at the productivity domain, we realized that it's contributing to increased yields because the current yields are around 700 kilograms per hectare, and there's a potential to increase that to 1,400 kilograms per hectare. It also provides opportunity for farm sizes to be increased since it grows very well on marginal lands. And so there are a lot of marginal lands available to the households that can increase the production of Fonio. And it also has a very short production cycle, and it's about 8 weeks maximum. And so they could do multiple cycles in a year. And there's also a lot of pre and post-harvest losses that are happening within a production node. And so with the introduction of new innovations, these pre and post-harvest losses can be reduced. In terms of the environment, Fonio has the potential to restore marginal lands. Fonio is also a low input crop. And when we look at the economy, it is a profitable venture. And Fonio has also gained international recognition and is contributing to the global market. It also provides opportunity for job creation. In terms of the social domain, it is a gender-friendly crop. And so you have both men and women, they are able to grow it. And it also has the potential to preserve cultural heritage in terms of reducing land-related conflicts. It has the potential to help reduce land-related conflicts. And in terms of the human domain, Fonio has a rich nutritional profile. And also it is a very good food security crop. So by way of policy recommendations that were suggested, considering all the findings that we came up with, we recommend that increased access to cost-effective, labor-friendly mechanization services at the production and processing nodes of the value chain, and also facilitate access to international Fonio markets where demand is growing. Access to certified Fonio seeds should be prioritized. Increased funding to Fonio research, particularly for varietal development, is very crucial. Promote Fonio and legumes intercropping as a strategy to help restore degraded lands, and sensitize stakeholders to Fonio commercialization opportunities, and also consumers to Fonio nutritional benefits. So by way of summary, Fonio has the potential to contribute to food security, household income, environmental sustainability, sustainable farming systems when boosted, especially in regions with severe land degradation, high food insecurity, and climate variability. This can be achieved when there is a need to promote Fonio research, facilitate access to basic production and processing equipment, increase access to improved varieties, increase value addition, stimulate stakeholder interest, and increase market access. Thank you very much.